Hey guys, I'm Nevin from Geek Ghetto Tech, and today we'll be telling you about the new disappearing message feature on WhatsApp. So let's get started. With the next WhatsApp update, you'll be able to send a disappearing message to your friends and groups. Using this feature, the messages, photos, videos and other media you send will be automatically deleted from the chat after 7 days, keeping the conversation light and more private. Disappearing message for individual chats can be directly turned on by the user, but for group chats, it can only be turned on by the admin of the particular group. To turn it on, simply tap the contact or group name and then the profile of that person or group will appear. After that, click on disappearing message option and tap on. And now the disappearing message will be activated. To turn it off, follow the same steps mentioned before and then tap off. And now the disappearing message will be deactivated. You can simply turn on this feature for messages you think are unimportant and should disappear over time, and turn it off when you think the messages are important and should stay there permanently. Simple, right? This will help you to sort out the less important messages and automatically delete them. And it will also help you to keep your chats organized and create more space for photos and videos automatically. And the next time when you're looking for that important message in the chat, you don't have to scroll through hundreds of unimportant messages. This new update has begun rolling out and will reach all Android and iOS users by the end of this month. And by the way, did you know about the new UPI-powered payment system that WhatsApp is bringing? Click on this I button on your screen to find out more about it. So guys, for more awesome videos like this, do subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated of all of our latest content. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.